Hi, I'm Mike Day from Day Sign Company. We're a commercial sign company, but we're offering a new product which we're very excited about for model train hobbyists. We came out with a line of personalized train signs. We came out with 4 different layouts, but we're willing to make any design that you would be interested in having. Maybe your own logo or a new design of some sort. But we're making the signs out of half-inch PVC plastic, and they're all weather exterior products. Um, we're looking very forward to seeing it at the Big E show, and we're hoping to sell these online. So you can go onto our website at daysigns.net and enjoy your trains.